Good morning. Hello. It's Jeddah day. Is it day 2? Yeah. So last night when we came in, or rather evening when we came in to the hotel, I couldn't do lots of things. By the way, let me run you through the apartment. This is like an apartment tour, so let me show you. So tired.
Let's see, 101. Which floor would that be?
1. Let's take the stairs, guys.
Yeah, on this one.
A bit small.
This is quite small.
1. Would you like to click on us?
Yeah.
Smallest elevator ever. We're all cramped in here. Who is Jazzy? He's down here. Oh, thought we forgot it somewhere. Jazzy, are you here?
We're gonna do the
We're here.
before that.
Hey, let's go.
Hey, go everybody.
Okay, here.
Oh, here.
Anyone behind? That's all.
Wait first, let me enter so I can do my apartment tour first. Oh, open, wait.
It's working.
Okay. Guys, wait, let me do apartment tour. Oh, this is a good apartment. So when you walk in, this is what you see.
Whoa. Get a hotel.
Yeah. And then they have this kitchen here. Guys, wait, let me just finish with the apartment tour. Let's see the light. So they have this kitchen here, and they have a room here. Let me switch on the lights. Oh, okay. This is what they have here. They have a toilet here. Is there a light here? Okay. Wow. And the smallest tub ever. We also have another toilet here. Let's see what they have. Okay. Another toilet here. And then, excuse me, they have this room again, kids room, twin bed, yeah, and they have a reading table here, the chair, and that's it. Did you just find anything? No plate. Are you serious? Don't you say that. Is that how they behave in Jeddah?
Only one plate.
Very thin. So after we dropped our stuff, we headed to the store. We had to look for like a 5 riyal kind of store, but here they don't call it 5 riyal. I noticed there's this other one it's in Arabic, and it's not really Arabic. I saw the name, but I couldn't take note of the name. It's on the nylons. So we did some shopping. My daughter wanted lots of crochet trade and all that, so we got lots of them. See, in Jeddah here, hey God, when you talk of variety, people that live in Jeddah, people that live here, people that live in this city, how do you feel to be God's favorite? Because you guys have lots of things. When I talk of variety, this is the variety. This is like the Lagos of Saudi Arabia. I'll say like Nigeria, you have Lagos, you have New York, you have all those major cities. So this is a major city in Saudi Arabia, and there are lots of things. Everywhere is shop, 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 shop. When I'm here, everything I think of is money, 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 money. Because everything I'm seeing is businesses, businesses, businesses. There is no empty corner. Everywhere they are buying and selling. Hey, man, I felt like anytime I'm here, I'm just thinking of what to do, like what type of business to do, what type of business to start. I feel anything you do here, any type of business you run here, I feel it will sell. I feel the business will sell. So yeah, this is the apartment. Like I've shown you guys the apartment. So immediately we came back, I just ran to bed. There was nothing to eat. By the way, remember we got our bake from the airport, so we ate it before going to the store, and that was it. We spent like 2 hours there, and by the time we came back, I just went to sleep. I didn't even know other people didn't even eat. I thought they were not hungry. Like me, I was not hungry, so I went to sleep, and waking up, they're just telling me everything their dad fed them. And so here are some of the things we got yesterday from the store. By the way, the last time I was in the city in Jeddah, I searched for baking papers. I did not find, and I was like very happy to find baking papers. I just had 3. I took 3 from the store here. My husband was like, you should have taken more. Then got this towel for just in case. Got some sponge for washing dishes. So because it's a 5 real store kind of, anything you buy, you just get it in bulk like this. 5 real. That's 5 sa. That's like 3. Is it like let's call it like $1 something. Is that, yeah? Or is it $3.73 hala, something like that? Oh, okay. Sorry guys, it's $1 plus. So anything you buy, you just have to buy it in bulk. Here I just need a sponge that I'll use for the few days I'll be here. But because they don't sell one, they sell it as a whole, like this pack. So I have to get a whole pack of this. Let me show you all the stuff as well. Then here, crochet, like lots and lots and lots of items. I have to get this knife. I don't have this type of knife here in Saudi, so I got this very huge knife, and it's scary. I'm scared of sharp knives. I have to get it for meat, then I'll use it here as well. Then they have lots of crochet. I got this pan. Like this pan, they sold it for, can't even remember, but okay, yeah, it's here. This is 50 SAR, 50 SR. I've never seen this kind of price in Jizan, or I don't check. Got some makeup bag or bathroom bag, anything you can use this for. I got it to change my makeup bag. These are my kids stuff. Crochet stuff. Also got this pack of chicken seasoning, some cotton buds. Yeah, got some plates as well for use here. Some spoons. I just need this, but you know, since I told you it's the store, you have to get this as well. I have a lot of this brush, this baking pan brush, and then this spatula. I love this spatula. I wanted it, so I have to get it. This is an ID pack. Yeah. And then look at this, guys. This pack for 5 riyal 75 hala. 5 riyals 75 hala. Like everything here is in bulk. Also got ice cream scoop. My last ice cream scoop is nowhere good. And then packs of hair bands. I got some spoons because there is no spoon in this apartment. I got packs. Like everything, you have to buy it in pack. Even if you can't just take 1 or 2. You have to just buy it in pack. And that's like saying I have added more property to whatever I have here. And then some spatula for swallow, eba, semo, all those kind of stuff. If you eat African food, you understand what I mean. We use this a lot in Africa, like for our food. And I also love to use it to turn my food. I prefer the wooden spatulas, the wooden spoons. Like, it feels so good to be in Jeddah. Variety, variety, variety. Man, this city gives me joy. It gives me joy. I feel like everything happens here. Everything. I wish I live here. I wish we got like more items. Like yesterday night, I was so tired that I had to start ranting like a kid. Like, I was telling my husband, let's go. He was checking for something. Me, let's go. I'm so tired. Like tired. I couldn't bear it again. Next, I got some fabric perfume here. This is like, if you use it to wash your clothes, like add it to the washing machine. There's a washing machine here, so that's good. This fabric perfume will make it smell nice. Got some series. My kids hardly have series, but since we are here, some series are good. And yeah, and they are all like at a good price. Man, everything in Jeddah is just wonderful, including this. What else? Yeah, everything here is just crochet. Okay, these are biscuits for my kids as well. Okay, and this is a bag of 5 kg of rice that we can eat here. Let me open it. Let's open it and see. I feel this is so much, to be honest, because there's no how we can even eat like 1/10 of this, but we couldn't find small bag of rice. Like, we couldn't find even if it's a pack of small rice in the store, so we had to buy that. So these are biscuits for the kids. Your girl is on a weight loss journey, so while I feel these things are tempting, but for the kids, at least once in a while. Yeah. So that store had a lot of items. Like, if I live here, I'll be shopping there. And if you have things like party, entertainment, things to entertain people with, or cook with, like salad, mixed salad, you get it at that store. By the way, this is the store I'm talking about. They say it's Al Shamel Group Market. So if you're in Jeddah, look for this place. It's a very big store, like very big. I couldn't vlog. Like the moment we stepped down here and went to that place, I said no, I'm not vlogging anything. Vlogging puts you on alert, like you're like so in the moment trying to get the content. I'm not I was living in that moment. I didn't want to film anything, and as well I was tired. So here, Al Shamel Food Market. If you're in Jeddah, you see them. So next I have to prepare breakfast before we head out for today, and after that I'm more interested in heading out. I'm not even interested in cooking, all that cooking stuff. So yeah, that's it so far in Saudi Arabia. Here, please like this video and subscribe as well.